What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using references with Vidiq. So once inside the Vidiq app, on the left hand side, go down to where it says create, choose thumbnails guys, and once you're over at the thumbnail section, you can easily create a YouTube thumbnail with the power of reference. All you have to do is choose reference at the bottom here and you can type in whatever you want. So let's say I want to type in something with, for example, VO3, right? VO3 from Google AI. So I can go ahead and I can type in VO3 AI and let's see what kind of videos are currently showing up. So take for example this video here, right? I can go ahead and I can click, if I like this thumbnail, I can click on this video, click on continue, and guess what? It's now added as a reference. Now all I have to do is click on create and allow the power of AI from Vidiq to generate a YouTube thumbnail for me similar to that one, and it only takes a matter of seconds for it to create 3 amazing high quality thumbnail with the power of AI. There you have it. That's an amazing reference from that video that you've seen, and just create an amazing reference, and I can choose any one of these thumbnails I wish. Let's say I like this one, I can go ahead and I can click on it, I can refine it, I can erase certain things, I can manage the text, I can manage the image, I can add stickers, and or I can just simply download it as is and use it. So as you can see, I quickly download it, and that's it guys. I can add this to my video, and that's all there is to it.